First exercise. Corner wall chest stretch. Stand facing the corner of a room, feet hip-width apart. Place your forearms against each wall at shoulder height, elbows bent at 90 degrees. Step 1 foot forward, leaning gently into the corner. Feel a stretch across your chest and shoulders. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, keeping your back straight. Breathe deeply. Switch feet if needed, and repeat. Avoid straining or overextending. Second exercise. Shoulder transverse extension. Stand with your arms crossed in front of your chest. Slowly move your arms back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds. Slowly return to the starting position. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Third exercise. Standing overhead shoulder stretch. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Reach both arms overhead, clasping your hands together. Gently pull your arms back while keeping your spine straight. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, then release. Repeat if necessary. Fourth exercise. Standing reach-up back rotation stretch. The standing reach-up back rotation stretch improves flexibility and mobility, particularly in the spine and shoulders. It helps release tension, enhance posture, and promote better range of motion. This exercise also strengthens the core and improves balance and coordination. Fifth exercise. Spine rotation. Spine rotation exercises target the core, specifically the obliques, improving flexibility and strength. By engaging the abdominal muscles and rotating the spine, these movements help improve posture, reduce lower back pain, and enhance overall trunk stability and mobility. Sixth exercise. Forearm supination. Forearm supination exercises improve wrist and forearm strength, enhance grip, and support elbow stability. They help prevent injuries, promote muscle balance, and improve functional movements like lifting, carrying, and throwing. Consistent practice boosts overall arm performance and coordination. Seventh exercise. Wrist flexion. Wrist flexion exercises, where the forearm bends downward toward the palm, help improve wrist flexibility, strengthen forearm muscles, and enhance grip strength. These movements reduce the risk of injuries, alleviate stiffness, and promote better hand function. Regular practice can also aid in injury recovery and increase overall wrist mobility. Eighth exercise. Extended side angle yoga pose. Begin in a standing position and step your feet about 4 feet apart. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and your left foot in slightly. Bend your right knee over your right ankle. Place your right forearm on your right thigh or your right hand on the floor outside your right foot. Extend your left arm overhead, palm facing down. Turn your head to look at your left palm and hold the pose for several breaths. Repeat on the opposite side. Ninth exercise. Standing hamstrings and back stretch. Stand upright with your feet hip-width apart. Hinge at your hips and bend forward, reaching your hands towards your feet. Keep your knees slightly bent if you have tight hamstrings. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Slowly roll back up to the starting position. Last exercise. Spine extension. Spine extension exercises strengthen the lower back by targeting the erector spinae muscles. These movements improve posture, enhance flexibility, and reduce back pain. Regular practice can also promote spinal health, alleviate stiffness, and support overall core stability.